Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful modern wash machine with the cabinet designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs. Nowadays these types of wash machine has become more popular and it has some several advantages that we're going to discuss in this video. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So cabinets with a modern wash machine are great for your bathroom inside or the outside of your bathroom. In terms of style and practically, one can consider them as advantages because they create the ample room, thus keeping the place clean, as cleaning items and personal care products may be stored inside. These units have a good number of styles. Like you can see in this video, there are the beautiful styles designs are available, starting from simple designs to modern shapes that can suit various types of washbasin. This is particularly important if you have a small amount of space, since they maximize efficiency by combining both storage and even for the wash machine into one single item. Cleaning becomes easy due to smooth surface that do not allow the dirt buildup. So besides, most contemporary ones contain elements within them are sophisticated waste removal designs which help to make them more efficient in everyday life. So it is essential for you to select the modern wash machine with a cabinet that perfectly fits into your bathroom, hence reflecting elegance as well as usefulness. There are the variety of styles from simple kitchen and modern to luxurious and extravagant. Make sure you know that what is your and after before making this important purchase, because the modern wash machine integrated into the cabinetry offer the more space for storage, more elegant designs, and they save on area. They were intended to help organize the bathroom, easy to clean and exit in many material types, but wood are the most common materials for use for cabinets and style which suit individual needs. Like if you want for a small bathroom, wash basin within the cabinets made from space saving designs like wall mounted or corner units. So it is advisable to choose the floating ventals as well as a modular design which maximize the available area, which providing necessary storage as well as the functionality. The bathroom furniture wash machine with cabinets offer refer to its towers as is quite beneficial. So I have listed some beautiful designs in this video. There you can see there are the beautiful designs. So friends, if you want more details you can ask me in the comment section, and it is mostly common use for the bathroom storage, or you can use to your outside the bathroom where you can keep all your important items like soaps, cleaning products. And you can see there are the lots of designs with latest and modern. Like regardless of your furniture ideas, the wash basin cabinet will leave a lasting impression. Also due to its fashionable appearance and generous size, you can select conventional or modern cabinetry for your wash basin based on your preference. Whichever option you choose, these drawers will be a focal point and a significant component of your interior design of your bathroom. With just one easy installation, tower storage may quickly double or quadruple the storage space in your house. As you can see, your bathroom can now hold extra shampoo, towels, toothpaste, and anything else you might need. This is particularly crucial if you live in a tiny home with limited space. but having the cabinets with the wash machine, it will make your easy simple work. So friends, if you like my designs, you can like and share this video, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you.